So if you're running virtual machines in Azure, you probably get the question a lot, how can I basically reduce costs for that virtual machine? Now, we offer you a couple of different things and scenarios for that. So if your virtual machine doesn't really need to run 24/7, one of the best things you can do is basically go out and shut it down. In that case, while the virtual machine is shut down, you don't pay for it. You only pay for the storage of that virtual machine. Now, if the virtual machine needs to run 24/7, there are other options you can go for it. So, for example, if you commit for 1 or 3 years to a specific virtual machine, you can use Azure reserved instances, and they will give you a discount on these virtual machine prices. Now, the great thing about it, which we launched recently, is changing in the pricing. So before, you needed to basically pay upfront for the year or the 3 years you committed to. Now, with the recent change, you still need to commit to using that virtual machine for 1 or 3 years. However, you can pay a monthly fee for that. Now, another thing I recommend if you're running Windows Server is that you have a look at the Azure Hybrid benefit, which enables you basically to take the advantages of Windows licenses you have used on-prem to virtual machines running in Azure. And the last thing I want to really talk about is Azure Advisor. Azure Advisor is a tool which helps you to find out how can you optimize your Azure environment. And as part of that, it goes out and has a look at your virtual machines. And if they're underutilized, it will tell you that. So this enables you to basically say, okay, this virtual machine is the size with 16 gigs of memory, but we recommend that you go down in the size to 8 gigs of memory because you don't use it.